Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. The hull color is Horizon. This boat is powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke. You'll see we've added the sea deck, the gray sea deck on the transom. This does have the ski tow bar. As we come into the boat, you'll see this is the new stone interior. Here on the back, got a nice flip up backrest and plenty of storage in the back. Gonna have a built-in cooler, also a removable beach cooler, plenty of seating both port and starboard. This does have the sliding seat forward and back here on the port side, lockable glove box. Does have the LED lighting package in the cockpit. Here at the helm you'll see the captain's chair with the flip-up thigh-rise bolster, fusion stereo with Bluetooth, tilt wheel steering. This does have the large digital dash SIMRAD with all your gauges and GPS built in. Coming up in the bow, plenty of storage and plenty of wraparound seating up in the front. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.